Hi YouTube, I'm sound deadening my 2019 Honda Odyssey. I thought I'd post this video to show how the front doors can be opened on the Honda Odyssey. So here we are. There are two sets of screws that are holding the door in place. There's one behind the latch of the door, and there's one here in this coin holder. All we need to open this up is a flat screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver. So let's start with this one. This is the easy one. There's a little nook here that you can do to pull out the cover. This comes out here. And there's another one here. There's a nook over there. You press it and push it forward. It should pop out. Okay, and open these screws up. I'm going to pause it while I open these screws. Okay, I've got the screws out of the way. The rest of it is pretty easy. Just have to hold on the edge over here, pull a little bit, yanks that open, continue at the bottom. That's pretty much all of it done. There. Now the door is off, and all I need to do now is to take care of these, the latch over here. I'm going to go over here and try to pull this behind, so it sort of clips out. Just need to pull this out. I'm not taking the whole thing apart. If you pull this out, that will allow you to remove it completely. All I'm looking to do is to sound deaden, so I'm going to pry this open. And try to get some of that sound deadener material at the back. There we are. I can see it's been raining here, so there is water inside the door. I don't know if that's normal or not, but I will check with my dealership here. So I'm going to pause this while I dry this out and apply some sound deadening material. Okay, so almost halfway done. The product I'm applying is called Siless. It's available on Amazon. I've lined my hood with this, a little bit of the wheel arches. I've got great results with this product. The link will be in the description. I'll continue recording and then show when it's complete. Okay, I'm almost done with this. It's fairly simple how to apply the Siless. Just paste it on, and then you can roll your screwdriver on it just to flatten out the bubbles, and that should ensure that it's been stuck in properly to the metal. Okay, so see, I've done the insides behind the speaker also, and if you notice the sound of the door, So that hollow sound is gone wherever we've gotten the material applied. That's going to be it for now. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.